Hello students, welcome to Robotics Era. In this tutorial, we will learn about a 780 series IC. This IC is basically a voltage regulator IC which converts the given input voltage into a desired output voltage. These ICs come in various voltage conversions like 7805 for 5 volt conversion, 7806 for 6 volt conversion, 7809 for 9 volt and 7812 for 12 volt. These ICs are basically having three legs. The first one is input, the middle one is ground, and the last one is output. If you see this IC carefully from this side, see this is the structure of IC. If you see from this side, there is certain numbers and letters are written on this side. If you will take a close look of this, because it is not possible to show you this number, but it is written L7805 in this. L7805 means this is the regulator IC which converts the given input voltage into a 5 volt output. I have written already 05 this side so that it will be easier for me to differentiate. Similarly, this is 7806 IC. This will give the 6 volt output and this will give the 9 volt output. I am going to keep these ICs side and let's start with the 7805 one. So, how the voltage will be converted? We have to insert the IC in the breadboard like this. Okay. Now you have to give the input voltage positive to the left one because this is the input, ground to the center one or negative terminal to the center one, and whatever the output supply you need to take the common ground and a positive from this side so that you can measure the voltage. I'll show you the measurement of voltage by using the multimeter also. First of all, let's do the connection. I am having this 9 volt battery with me. First of all, with the help of multimeter, let's check our input voltage. Our input voltage will be shown on the multimeter screen. I am going to put the positive on the positive side and negative on the negative side. You can see some 9.16 volt is the voltage. Okay, 9.15 is the voltage. Again, you can see anywhere you can check, like from here to here also we can check. See 9.16. Now I have to give the input from positive and negative to this terminal. I'm going to take this positive from here to positive of this wire, and I'll take a negative terminal from here and will pass it to the negative terminal of the IC. Now I have to check the input voltage of these two terminals. How I will check? By touching the multimeter. This should be same as 9 point what I have shown you. See 8.96 it is showing because some voltage drop is across the wires. Okay, 8.96, so nearly 9 we can say. 9 volt is the input power. Now for output we should have two terminals. I am going to take this black from here, which is a common ground. Okay, I'm going to take a red wire from the output. This output will be a positive terminal. Okay, you can see how I have inserted. See, this red wire is from the output pin and center one is the ground pin. The ground pin is the common I have taken from here and the positive I have taken to here, this side. Now I have to check the output voltage. See, whenever you will measure the voltage, it will not come exactly 5, it may come 4.9 something or 5 point some value. Okay, because there is a some amount of error in the ICs too during the manufacturing. So I'm going to touch the plus here and minus here. Plus to plus terminal and minus to minus terminal. You can see 4.92 is the output voltage. I have connected the negative to the negative rail and positive to the positive rail. You can see 4.92 is the output voltage, which is a nearly 5. Instead of this, if I will use the 6 volt LED, sorry, 6 instead of this, if I am using this 7806 IC, then what will happen? I am just simply removing that portion and adding the another IC to here. Now let's check the output voltage. See the multimeter. I'm going to test the positive to the positive and negative to negative. It is 5.97, which is nearly a 6 volt actually. Okay, 7806 is giving the 6 volt. Similarly, for getting 9 volt output, you need to give the power supply definitely more than the 9 volt. It can only reduce the voltage, not increase. Okay, it is not like a transformer which can step up or step down the voltage. It can only step down the voltage up to 35 volt. Maximum 35 volt you can apply across the this IC, and it will give you a 5, 6, 9 or 12 volt output supply with 1 ampere of current rating. Okay, so this is your, you have to try with the 9 volt also. Just try to make the series connection of the batteries, make it more than 9 volt, and then use 7809 as a output device. I hope you can do this by your own and you understood the concept of 780X series ICs. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.